welcome to Freedom Radio YouTube channel. Welcome to my another video. Today's gonna be a short one. I want to show you a little mod that I am up to do.
Let's open it. Yeah, so I've got that USB port from eBay. I paid for that £10, and I think it's a pretty good improvement. Well, just a small little improvement to the bike, as it has 2 USB ports and also the LED display with a voltage, showing the voltage of the battery, which is pretty useful. So I'm gonna mount that in a minute and see how it works. So it's got that, you know, the port which is working with the already installed 2 battery point for trickle charger or for charging point. So yeah, let's see how it will fit and how this display looks like and what it's gonna show us. So that's the port, and let's plug it in. There we go, and it's showing the voltage of the battery now. So yeah, it looks pretty good. Nice thing to have, especially when you got this latest models with the alarm, which continuously using a battery and draining it out slowly. So it's good to have that before you start your bike. Reconnecting now the charging with this, actually charging. Yeah, it does, which is good. Well, it looks like we're already taking out some energy, some power from the battery. And yeah, you can close it. So it's waterproof. You can keep it on your bike. You can continuously check the battery, but I don't know if it's necessary to keep it on, as you can just unplug it in. So it looks pretty good. You've got this long wire which you can use when you're traveling longer distances. You can put that port somewhere more suitable, perhaps, you know, in your waterproof bags where you hold your equipment, to recharge it or to charge it up while you're riding.
Thank you guys for sticking with me on this short video. I hope that you enjoy it. If you like the video, press that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Smash that subscription button with your head and like it. Press that notification bell button for coming videos. So stay blessed, ride safe, and peace.